Today in this video, we're going to walk through how to apply an e-business visa to India. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, e-visas are becoming popular, right? The ease of convenience and the way it gets processed. So it's very easy. So what happens is, like, I have already shown you how to do for e-tourist visa. Even I have used it myself. Like, you apply it, once approval comes, you take the printout, go to the airline, and then they allow you to board. At the border, you show the printout, your passport, and then they take your biometrics, and that's it. They allow you to enter. There are conditions, there are duration you have to meet. All right. So similarly, e-business visa works in the same way. 4 steps: apply online, pay the fee, receive ETA, fly to India. So so right now we are here. So we are gonna go through the process of uh, applying e-business. So here is a link, apply here for e-visa. And guys, like, be very careful you do it on the official government website, because there are so many websites that are like available, and they are collecting data and applying at the back end, but they are charging you more fee. So don't fall into the trap. There is no agent. There's no official company who has been given the contract to do this process for the government of India. So don't fall into their trap. So, and moreover, the information I'm going to enter here is going to be sample, and that do not belong to any real person living or dead. Okay. So this is just sample information you need to fill as per your case. Okay. And if you take anything out, you do it at your own risk. All right. So first is nationality. So it is available to more than 166 countries citizens. I select this passport type. I select ordinary passport. Port of arrival where you're going to enter. So let's say I'm going to enter there. DOB. This is sample, guys. Okay, not my DOB. Email ID. So I'm just writing no. What should I do? No email at no email dot. Okay, just sample, guys. Of course, I won't be filling it up all. I mean, I won't be paying the fee. Okay. Now you see the categories are here. So I'm gonna select for business visa. I'm gonna select this. Now it's asking why you need business to set up industrial business venture, sell purchase trade, attend technical business meeting to recruit manpower, participation in this, conducting tours to deliver lecture under global. Okay, sports editor to join the vessel. So I'm selecting this one. Participation in a trade fairs. Okay, fine. Expected date of arrival. So I'm putting, let's say, October 1st. Okay, put this character. I've read the instructions. Continue. Now it is asking what are the things you need. Copy of business card, passport, biometric page containing personal particulars, passport photograph less than 1 MB. So make sure you meet this criteria. Okay. And you get the application ID. You can save and temporary exit and you can come back. That's always possible. Okay. And see, visa may not be granted if name in the passport template do not match. So make sure it matches. Surname. So I'm just putting sample. Okay. This is not real. Okay. Have you ever changed your name? If you check this box, they will ask you the previous details. If not, they won't. Towns, let's say you are born in Toronto. Sample, guys. Country. Oh, Canada. Citizenship ID number. I'm putting sample. You do it as per your case. Religion, let's say I select Hindu. Just simple. Visible mark. One. This is not my visible mark, guys. One more on hand. Educational qualification. Let's say you are graduate. And do your nationality by birth. Okay. Or naturalization. Have you lived for at least 2 years in the country where you are applying visa? I select yes. Now passport details. This is sample, guys. Okay. Place of issue. I select Toronto. You match this with your passport, guys. Otherwise, there could be trouble because India is very careful in these applications. Have any other valid passport identity certificate held? I select no. Okay, save and continue. We are going to the next page. Perfect. Street. So I'm just writing a sample address. To Ding Dong Street. Ding Ding Street. Okay. Toronto. Hmm. Canada. District. State. Province. District. I'll put Ontario. Postal code. Just sample, guys. Okay. Phone number. At least one number you should give. I just put one. Okay. Same address, permanent address. I did same, so it picked up. Father's detail, mother detail, both they have asked. So let's say his father name is Peter Smith. Nationality, Canada. Place of birth, Toronto. Country of birth, Canada. Mother name, let's say Paula Smith. Smith. Nationality, Canada. Place of birth, Toronto, Canada. Applicant marital status, married. Oh, I make it single, otherwise I need to provide more information. Whether your parents, grandparents, Pakistan national belong to Pakistan held areas, I select no. Present occupation, business person, name of the business, I'll just write Smith. Export. Designation, address, wow. Ah, and TT Street. I'm ignoring some fields because they're not mandatory, but I would strongly recommend you do it. If you're military, semi-military organization, I select no. Now visa details. Places to be visit. Let's say I select New Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai. Chennai is a very beautiful place, guys. Visited online too, that's okay. Have you booked a room or hotels or etc. through any tour operator? I select no. Details of applicant company. This is not mandatory, but that's why I'm leaving it. But you provide the information. Exit point, Delhi. Have you visited India before? I select no, but if you have provided. Has permission to visit or stay previously been refused? I select no. Countries visited in last 10 years. Well, Farish want to be okay. Have you visited any SAARC countries except in last 3 years? I select no. Reference name in India. I'll just put Gajodhar Singh. Okay. Address Delhi. Lake. Paste it. District Delhi. Phone. Canada. Okay. Alex. Man. Address. Wow. The phone. Perfect. Oh. Details of applicant company. Yeah. Delhi import. Address. Site. Yeah, trade fair. Let me see if it allows me to do. No, website. W. Dot. I'm just putting sample, guys. You provide full information. Perfect. Have you been convicted, arrested, prosecuted? I select no. Have you been refused or deported from any country, including India? Have you ever engaged in human trafficking activity? I select no. Or engaged in cybercrime, terrorist? I select no. Expressed views? No. Politic otherwise? No. I, John, hereby confirm that. Okay. Now, once I click here and go to next stage, it will ask me to upload those photographs and all, and also to pay the fee. So I'm not going to do that, but you got the idea how to navigate through it. And again, if they want, they can ask more additional documents. If they want, they can even call you for an interview. That all happens, but not in every case. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.